student, welcome to my channel. I am Nargis. I qualified CSR UGC NET June 2023 and GATE 2021-2022 exam. Today I will discuss how you can qualify CSR UGC NET in mathematics. Before giving any exam, you have to know about question pattern, number division and important topic for this exam. Let's start. First we discuss about exam pattern and number division of CSR NET mathematics. There are three parts in CSR NET mathematics exam. Part A is for general aptitude. Total question will be 20 and question to attempt is 15 and each question for 2 mark will be 13 and negative marking will be 0.5. Part A is very important for CSR NET exam. It is easier to get number in part A other than part B and part C. If you only see the previous year question and solve the previous year question, then you can get 15 or 16 marks for part A question. Now we discuss about part B and part C question. Part B and part C question are from mathematics, that is from your own subject, and part B question will be MCQ question, that is multiple choice question. Here every question have one answer, and part C question will be MSQ, that is multiple selected question. In this question your answer may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and part B question total number of question will be 40 and question to attempt will be 25 and mark will be 3 for each question, that is 3 into 25, 75, and negative marking will be 0.75. In part C, total question will be 60 and question to attempt will be 20 and each question get value 4.75, that is for 95. Here no negative marking in part C. For part B and part C, we divide into 4 units: unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4. Unit 1 you see real analysis and linear algebra question and total mark will be 121.5. Real analysis is most vital for CSR NET exam because you know that weightage of real analysis is maximum in CSR NET mathematics. Then linear algebra. Linear algebra question is easier than other topics. So you first prepare for real analysis and linear algebra. Unit 2 complex analysis, abstract algebra and topology, 81 mark question will be from there. And unit 3 ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, calculus of variation, integral equation, classical mechanics, numerical analysis and mark will be 81. In unit 4 you get probability, statistics, Markov chain and LPP question and total number will be 121.5. So it is not necessary that you have to read all portion, all topics for CSR NET because there are 405 number question and you have to attempt 200 number question and you have to get 110 mark or 115 mark for JRA. How you will start to prepare for CSR NET? First, if you read real analysis, then you can choose a book like Schemata, Bartlett-Selbert or Woodin's book and you read first the topic which is in CSR NET. Then you see the previous year question of this topic and try to solve yourself. And when you read a theorem, then you try to think counter example for every theorem. Be consistent and regular and follow the previous year question and keep watching my channel. If this video is helpful for you, then please give me a like and comment me in my comment section. If you have any query, then you can comment me and subscribe my channel.